Some folks like to call beef the red meat. But there's a lot more to beef than just the color red. It has more micronutrients than a lot of foods you eat every day. Take 3 ounces of beef compared to the same size skinless chicken breast. Beef has 3 times more iron, 6 times more zinc, and 8 times more B12, and only 1 more gram of saturated fat. So you might want to take another look at beef the next time you pass by the meat case, because everything else looks pale in comparison. Beef, it's what's for dinner.